विसा उपरांत येवकार 5 फेब्रुवारीक सावन रस्तो सुरक्षा आठवड्याक सुरवात जाल्या. 328 लोकांक फाटल्या वर्सा रस्तो अपघातांत मरण आयिल्लें. म्हण ह्या आठवड्यांत लोकांक रस्तो अपघातांचेर जागृत करपाक चड भर दिवप जातली. रेंट बायक दितना बरें हेल्मेट गिरायकाक दिवपाची गरज आसा. हाचेर चड जागृताय करतले म्हण म्हायती येरादारी संचालक निखिल देसाय हांणी दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
From 5th of February and we'll observe it for 7 days. It has been very successful. It is being observed all over Goa. All the assistant directors are engaged in the task of approaching the schools, colleges, industrial houses and other civil societies, educating them on the principles of road safety and the need for road safety. You may be aware that last year we lost 328 people due to various road accidents. There were hundreds of accidents which have happened all over Goa, and most of these were avoidable accidents. If you overspeed or overtaking from the wrong side or not adhering to basic traffic rules which are causing these fatalities and accidents. So this week the focus is on educating people, informing them why the road safety is important and what are the rules of road that one needs to follow, so that we do not encounter such horrific instances of road accidents. Similarly, the focus is more on education rather than enforcement and chalaning or fining people. We have asked the dealers to make sure that whoever purchases two-wheeler should be also given a helmet. Secondly, we have also written to all the rent-a-bike operators that whenever bikes are being hired by the tourists, you all should give them ISI quality helmet. Otherwise, we are going to crack down on rent-a-bike operators as well. And if there is any accident involving a rent-a-bike and it was found that helmet was not being used, then the concerned rent-a-bike may lose even his permit for not taking adequate precaution and for not giving helmet to the person who has hired the vehicle, especially the tourist. Vehicles coming in opposite direction even at 40 kilometers per hour and the driver is not wearing a seat belt, he can be flung out of the front windscreen and that can result into a very severe or a fatal accident. So seat belts are also very equally important just in case of any accident. So I think this should come naturally. It is very unfortunate that people wear helmets only if there is a traffic police or a RTO waiting around the corner. The rest of the time the helmets are either lying on their arms or they are just carelessly not wearing the helmet. This is a very bad instance. I think moment you mount your two-wheeler, helmet should be compulsory, just as you should wear your seat belt when you are inside a four-wheeler. Now we have been trying to send across this message that helmet is not a decorative item. It is meant to protect your head, and we are very vulnerable. If you have a fall even at 20 kilometers an hour and if you land on your head, research has shown that your skull can crack open and no amount of medical intervention is going to help.